Hi everybody, Josiah here, also known as Chilling Silence, and I want to go over a couple of changes today that we've been making to the CreateDigiAssets website to help improve some of the functionality and, more importantly, to encourage some new ways that you can use it. So first of all, what I want to do is show people how easy it is to get logged in. So right off the bat, you can see that we have over here login or register. Basically, if you take your application, such as the DigiByte mobile app, or if you take Koinomi, all you need to do is bring up the QR reader. I'm going to aim this at the computer monitor here, and it's going to prompt me here, would I like to authenticate? I'll hit the button, and that's pretty much it. So it's going to sign me in. Now what I want to show you today specifically is one of the things that we've slowly begun to work on here. So if I go to my DigiAssets, what we can see here is I've previously issued one. This is not worth anything, it's a test asset that I'm working on, but what we are adding is the ability for you to subsequently send that on to people. Now the reason that we're doing this is so that later on, if you want, what you could do is you can issue an asset to the website. The website can look after it for you and it can stay there. Now at no point will you ever be able to receive assets to the CreateDigiAssets website. However, you can send them from there. So some of the things that we're looking at toying around with is the idea for you to have shares in a company, for example, and let's say you create DigiAssets for them and you list them on the website. Maybe you make 100 of them, maybe you make 100,000 of them. From there, what you can do is give people the ability to go directly to CreateDigiAssets.com under a specific page for your asset, and they can purchase it if you would like to allow them to. Now, one of the things that we're looking at doing is accepting Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and of course, DigiByte, most importantly. The idea behind this is so that it would make it really easy for people to come to and have a sort of a one-stop shop, if you will, for places to be able to do crowdfunding for ideas, or to sell tokens, or to do shares in a company, or tickets, for example, all of that kind of thing. So we're also going to include the ability for people to eventually upload a CSV file, which is basically a really simple spreadsheet. And from there, you can have a list of addresses and you can have a list of how many you would like for them to receive of your DigiAsset. And again, it will then subsequently send it out to each of them. So this field that we've got here is again really in early testing. At the moment, it's still not going to work for you. So you can see up here I've logged in as a slightly different user, hence the red background. Now, I wanted to give you a bit of a heads up about this, let you know it's coming, let you know it's in the works, get you excited about that and thinking about some of the ways that you could use this in your own personal life, or perhaps you have a company or know of somebody else who might be able to use this and benefit from it. If you do, feel free to put them in touch. Would love to have a chat with them about the kind of things that they'd like, the sort of things they'd like to use, and that sort of thing as well, as we are building up this feature for CreateDigiAssets. Anyway, early on Monday morning here today, I'm going to keep it short and simple. I hope you enjoyed this. Consider leaving a like, subscribe. You can reach me on Twitter. I'm at DGB_chilling, or otherwise, I'll talk to you in the next video. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.